I'm grateful.
You're here for an appointment?
No. Is this the main hospital?
No, this is not an emergency room.
Is this the main hospital?
It's not a hospital.
What is this?
It's a nursing facility.
No, I'm saying there's a Governor Hospital.
Around the corner is the clinic. This is two separate parts. That's all the
Does the clinic have an emergency room?
No.
So it's not an actual medical center?
No. It's like clinics, like if you want an appointment or something like that.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Closed.
You can't be recording.
Why not?
Because you can't be recording.
How
Do you
come?
need help with something?
No.
Okay, so then, are you trying to go to the other side?
No. I'm just
Okay.
recording.
No, but you can't come in and just record. It's either you're here to
Why not?
visit. Are you here to visit?
I'm here to record.
Central, can you turn so please?
They did not consult the nephrologist.
Oh, I'm interrupting.
25 ICU stations.
Did you call your supervisor?
Yeah, you need help? Or you...
I told you already. I'm recording.
The tension ignites instantly. A man calmly records in a medical lobby, only to be confronted by staff claiming he cannot film. The stage is set. Public space versus authority. Curiosity versus control. Every second counts as this seemingly simple interaction sparks the chain of conflict.
You can't just come in here and just record.
Why not? Did somebody tell you that, or are you just making that up?
I'm not making it up.
So why would you say that?
Because what are you recording for?
So the reason why I'm recording depends on whether I can record or not?
No.
So
Who's
what are
gonna
you
help
saying?
you?
I don't need nobody's help. I told you already.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
He came in. I said this is an emergency room, but I can just record it.
Yeah. Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
What's your name?
Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
I'm not in the mood to answer any questions.
All right. But you can't be recording in the medical facility, though.
Why do you say that?
HIPAA violation.
That's not true.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Patient.
Do you know what HIPAA protects?
Yeah, medical records.
Right. You see any medical records out here?
Some people don't want to show their face. They don't want
HIPAA doesn't protect people's faces.
to, it does.
Not in public.
This is in the
HIPAA protects. HIPAA protects
This
the.
is a skilled nursing home.
HIPAA,
clinic is on the other
HIPAA
side.
protects the doctors from taking pictures of the patients, not the public
Not
taking
doctors,
pictures in
everyone.
public. No, that's not true.
Yeah.
Search it. Google if HIPAA protects people's faces in public. Because if I was on the sidewalk, I could record everybody's face that walks in and out this building. Is that protected by
Could I ask you
HIPAA?
why you're recording?
And I can't violate HIPAA because I'm not HIPAA trained. I'm not HIPAA certified. You know who can violate HIPAA?
I'm notifying
The
you right now.
doctors. I can't violate
I'm
HIPAA.
notifying you right now.
Only people that can violate
You
HIPAA
could
is the
violate.
doctors. No, I can't.
You could.
No, I can't.
Everyone's.
No, I'm not HIPAA certified or trained.
Could I ask you
how am
why
I
you're
gonna-
recording?
You can ask me why, but I tell you I don't feel like answering any questions. I'm just peacefully exercising my rights in a public area,
Could I ask you to leave?
which is protected. You can ask me anything. You can ask me to smack myself.
Are you gonna leave?
I'm conducting business. Are you
What's your
denying me?
business here?
You see, I'm taking pictures and videos of the wall, the paintings. And did you know that there's a Right to Record Act? That's a law that says that I can record peace officers in the course of their duties
Record me all you want. Just don't record
from
the building.
public.
Don't record the building.
The building's public.
No, it's not a public. This is not. I'm telling you right now.
It's
this is not
privately
public.
owned?
Yes.
The officer invokes HIPAA, claiming the filming is illegal. The filmer pushes back, citing public rights and legal knowledge. A clash of facts unfolds. Authority versus knowledge. With every challenge, the tension escalates, leaving viewers questioning who truly understands the law and who's enforcing misunderstanding.
Sorry, this is what I was trying
So
to
New York
explain.
City Health and Hospitals is private?
It's two different sides.
Really? The city's private?
This is a skilled nursing home.
New York City is private? I thought New York City was public.
It's two different sides.
This is New York City. You're New York City Health and Hospitals Police. You think they're going to put New York City Health and Hospitals Police in a private facility? Why would they put public employees in a private facility?
It's still a private facility.
No, it's past this point. It's
We're
private.
public workers, but this is a private
And this is a
facility.
public lobby. No, it's not.
Yes.
It's a publicly owned facility. It's funded by taxpayers. It's owned by the city, by the public. I'm not going anywhere I'm not allowed to be.
Call PD.
Yeah. What are they going to do? But you're a peace officer. You don't know?
No, I told you already. I told you.
What did you
everything.
tell me?
Either you're gonna leave it yourself, or you're gonna be escorted out.
Why would they escort me out?
I informed you can't be recording here.
Why not?
You have no business.
Why not?
You have no business.
I told you
here.
my business
You're
multiple
not visiting.
times.
You're not working here. You have no business here. You're just recording. So
Did you know
right
that?
now you're
Did you know that?
trespassing.
No, I'm not.
You know.
In public?
I've
I'm
informed-
trespassing
you're
in
not
public?
This is a lobby, right?
What? A private lobby or a public lobby?
This is a private lobby.
It's a public
the public
lobby.
lobby is on the other side. This is the two buildings. You're on the public side right now. Private side right now.
This isn't private. The public can come and gather information
I'm
here.
telling you, this is the private side.
If I want to come get information on how I
You have
can
no
send a
business here.
family member here, I can do that.
Yeah, but you don't have.
You're just
family.
lying on camera.
I don't care.
Oh, the camera will show multiple times I stated my business. Multiple times.
you refuse
I did.
to
I said I'm
say your
recording.
business.
And I'm recording a peace officer in the course of their
Point
duties.
that at me all day.
Yeah, I'm protected right now.
Yeah, but you physically being here is trespassing right now.
No, it's
I
not.
informed you.
How did I get in? Was it locked? Or was I able to walk right in?
Any building you can walk right in.
No, well,
Being is public.
this is publicly owned. It's funded by tax dollars. It is,
Yeah,
right?
You
So
can walk right into a jail.
and there's secured areas. Like you see that says, attention, this area is closed to all visitors. If I go back there, that's trespassing. This is a public lobby where the public can come in and seek services,
Family members.
seek
and
information. If I want to get information, I can come in and get information.
information?
Yeah, that's part of my business.
What do you need?
Part of my business is to see how.
The officers escalate, threatening trespass. The filmer stands firm, exposing contradictions about public access and taxpayer-funded space. Each claim from staff intensifies the standoff, building suspense. Authority and legality collide in a critical turning point where viewers sense the stakes rising. Removal or rights assertion hangs in the balance.
How you act at work, take pictures of the beautiful lobby, get some public information, and then be on my way. That's business. That's business. Why don't you? That should have been the first question you asked me.
What do you need?
I don't want to deal with you. You're rude, and you don't seem educated on your job. You don't know what's public, what's private. It's a public lobby.
What information do you need, though?
You're good.
All recording inside?
No, but pretty much you can stay in this lobby area. Just inform them, can't be anywhere else. Okay. But the healthcare facility,
Actually, I informed you of that. I have to remind you of that. I don't intend to go into any restricted areas. I have to check in and be a visitor to pass that area. That door has a sign. It's locked. This is a public lobby. The public has a right to come in. Ma'am, who are you?
I'm the administrator of the nursing home. This isn't public.
No,
You need to go.
New York City Health and
so-
Hospitals isn't public.
You need
Sir,
to go, sir.
sir,
Please don't yell at me.
You need to go.
if they ask you to leave, and you gotta go.
Why would they ask me to leave a public building?
It's
Or
not a
they ask you to leave, you gotta go now.
We're not.
What's your name, ma'am? So I can hold you accountable
No, sir.
for soliciting a trespass from public.
You gotta go, sir.
Absolutely
Hold on,
incorrect.
I'm asking her for
You need to leave
information.
now. Thank you.
What's your name? Identify yourself so I can hold you accountable.
She doesn't have to. It's not part of her policy. You know, obviously we have to if you ask for it, but
And
she
you're
doesn't have to.
and you're enforcing her feelings. She just. She could say anything. She could say, "I don't like him." Ask him to leave.
She works
That doesn't
here.
mean that doesn't
She
mean
works
anything.
here. She allowed to ask you to leave.
Why are you yelling? De-escalate.
That's how.
You're trained
That's
to
how I
de-escalate.
talk.
Okay.
That's how he talks.
All right. Then I was mistaken. I feel like he was yelling at me.
No. That's how he
Right.
talks.
People talk differently.
She could be mistaken. He's a peace
Okay,
officer.
so
He's a peace officer.
Okay, can you
And
let me
you're-
finish?
I didn't even get to talk.
All
You
right,
cut
let me finish my
off.
word first, all right?
Go ahead, and I
All
hope
right,
you give me the same
She works
respect.
here as administrator.
Okay.
She is allowed to call the police
Yeah.
for somebody that's not working.
Administrator enters, demanding the filmer leave. He calmly requests accountability and names. Tension spikes as institutional authority confronts knowledge and persistence. The scene becomes a battle of legitimacy, procedural power versus lawful rights. Each exchange increases suspense, revealing the fragility of perceived authority.
Welcome.
Okay.
If she thinks you're not welcome, she can ask you to leave. And
Okay.
if you don't want to leave, we can assist you to go.
Okay. She also can be wrong. This is
you
public. Can I talk? I'll let you
All right,
talk,
go,
right?
go.
She also can be wrong, right? She could be miseducated,
Finish
right?
what you're saying. Let's finish what you're
All right,
saying.
but listen to what I'm saying. Listen to understand. Don't just
Finish what your word
listen
first,
to
then I answer
respond.
you.
Okay? She could be wrong. He's a peace officer. He said that as long as I'm in this public lobby of this public building, I have a right to be, have a right to record my peace officers in the course of their duties through the Right to Record Act, as long as I'm in a public area. That's the law. I can watch him while he's at work. This isn't a private facility. This is New York City owned and tax funded. That means I have a right to come in and conduct business. My business is investigative journalism. She's wrong.
Okay, you done talking now?
You should know the
done
law.
talking now?
You should know
done
the law.
talking now?
Can I speak to you? You seem a little bit more cordial. I feel like he's escalating the situation. Did anything I say?
No, yeah,
It's
I'm all
reasonable,
about,
right? Because this is
protecting everyone's rights. You know, everyone
yeah.
has the
Well,
right to
it seems like he's trying to violate my rights right now.
no. So
If I was being disorderly, if I was somewhere I'm not allowed to be, then you can ask me to leave a public building.
Absolutely.
But if I'm peacefully exercising my rights, why would you ask me to leave a public facility? Okay. I'm not being disorderly, I'm not yelling, I'm not cursing. I'm peacefully taking pictures of the public information that's around. That means I have a right to be here.
Okay.
Through the law, and you're supposed to uphold the law, not somebody's miseducation.
We are upholding the law, but you gotta also understand that we're not in charge of this building. We're going based off of the best
The
information.
government is in charge of this building.
So we're going based off of the best information available. If she's saying that it's privately owned,
How is New York City, why would they have a New York City Health and Hospitals police officer stationed in a private facility? Past there is private. Past there is visitors only. This is a public lobby.
I hear you.
So how's it private? You think New York City is going to have Health and Hospitals police in a private facility? No, this is tax funded.
I hear you.
You have no business here.
I'm telling you, you've seen my business. I told you what I was going to do. 2 minutes ago, I said I'm going to take some pictures and I'll be on my way.
This segment is the heart of the confrontation. The filmer methodically articulates his purpose: investigative journalism and exercising the right to record public officials in the course of their duties. He contrasts the officer's assertions of private space with the reality of taxpayer-funded, publicly accessible facilities. Every word he speaks is deliberate, a step in dismantling the staff and officers' claims. The officers insist they are acting on the best information available, but the confidence in their reasoning falters. The filmer exposes every inconsistency. Doors are open, areas are accessible, public records and spaces are visible. He makes it clear he is not invading private medical information, nor threatening anyone. He is documenting lawful activity in public view. The tension here is palpable. Each side's position is sharply drawn: authority versus accountability, policy versus rights, perception versus law. The cameraman's calm persistence contrasts with the officer's increasing uncertainty, creating a suspenseful dynamic where viewers can almost feel the mental calculations of each participant. This is not a mere disagreement. It's a masterclass in exercising constitutional rights under scrutiny. The officer's uncertainty builds the narrative tension, while the filmer's steady knowledge elevates him as a protagonist in the story. By the end of this segment, it is clear who holds the legal high ground, but the audience is left on edge, wondering if enforcement or removal will intervene before resolution.
Almost done with what I'm doing. I don't see what the big issue is. I'm not gathering nobody's medical information. I'm not even recording private people. I'm recording peace officers. And I'm doing it peacefully.
But they're in the background.
It's all right. I could blur faces.
Okay.
And they're still in public, though, regardless. You're recording everybody that walks into this facility. You guys are supposed to protect my rights. You're supposed to, because you swore an oath. You're supposed to, because you swore an oath. If I came in here praying and somebody didn't like my religion, you're not going to say, hey, sir, you can't pray. You're making people uncomfortable. I still have the freedom of religion. And you're supposed to protect me. I said I was going to take a couple more pictures, and I was already on my way out.
This is all public areas. As long as he doesn't enter any restricted areas, everything's public buildings. They have the right to report.
Right now, my rights are protected by 4 officers. My rights are protected.
To the director,
She's miseducated, bro.
As you can see, we have too many police officers who are completely ignorant when it comes to our rights and the laws that they are supposed to enforce. And this is why it is so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.
Finally, the confrontation reaches resolution. 4 officers are present, standing by as the filmer asserts that his rights are being recognized and protected. The administrator and staff have stepped back. The verbal escalation diminishes, and the scenario shifts from confrontation to a sobering lesson. This segment is reflective, showcasing the aftermath of tension while emphasizing the importance of understanding rights. The filmer calmly summarizes his position. He is in a public lobby, exercising his right to record public officials performing their duties. Every assertion he made earlier is now underscored by the visible protection of law enforcement officers, a stark contrast to the initial chaos. The interaction demonstrates a critical reality. Too many officers and staff are uninformed about public rights, which can lead to unnecessary conflict, misunderstanding, or overreach. This segment doubles as a powerful commentary. It reminds viewers that accountability and knowledge are not optional. They are essential in public interactions. The resolution illustrates that calm, informed persistence can correct misapplications of authority. The tension of earlier segments now serves as a backdrop for reflection. Viewers are invited to understand how rights, when exercised correctly, create lawful boundaries for authority. Finally, the segment closes with a broader call to awareness. Always record, understand the law, and hold public officials accountable. This is a lesson beyond the immediate encounter. A guide for citizens navigating public spaces, legal gray areas, and the delicate balance between civil liberties and institutional authority. It's both conclusion and a wake-up call, leaving audiences informed, captivated, and empowered